morning, everyone. Welcome to the digital classroom with Holy Heart Schools. Today, we are going to discuss chapter The Unique Animals. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the animals which are special in their own kind. Our planet Earth is an incredible place, and there are so many different living creatures around us. Some of them are so weird that it's hard to believe Mother Nature created something like that. And some are so rare that your chances of seeing them are next to nothing. At a bright side, we love nature and believe that the world, along with its unique living creature, it's astonishing. We have selected some of the unique animals and we have tried to explain more about them in this video. So let's start with the first one, that is secretary bird. It is a large, mostly terrestrial bird of prey. Endemic to Africa, it is usually found in the open grassland and savanna of sub-Saharan region. It is a long-legged African bird with a slender but powerful body. It derives its name from the crest of a long quill-like feather on the back of its head. It hunts on the foot in the open grasslands. Now the next unique animal includes civet. It is a small, lean, mostly nocturnal mammal native to tropical Asia and Africa, especially in the tropical forest. The term civet applies to over a dozen of different mammal species, and most of these species diversity is found in Southeast Asia. It is a cat-like mammal and has a scent gland that secretes a greasy substance with which it marks its territory. This greasy substance is used in manufacturing of perfumes. Now next we have Ibex. It is the most desert-adapted African antelope formerly found throughout most of the Sahara but nearly exterminated in the wild in the last quarter of the 20th century by poaching from the motorized vehicles. The Idex's most striking feature is its long spiral horns. Its large, wide-spreading hooves are ideal for walking on the soft land. It is the best adapted antelope to the desert conditions. Now next we have Kopre. It is a species of wild cattle endemic to Cambodia where it is the national mammal. Its name is derived from Khmer and means forest ox. The Kopre has probably always been rare and was last seen in 1988. Kopre population were heavily decimated by the hunting and human disturbance, especially during the wars in Indochina, and no confirmed sighting have been made for the several decades. This species is mostly extinct, but occasional skulls for sale in the market still keep some scientists hopeful. If Kopre have indeed survived to this state, populations will be tiny and intensive conservation measures are needed to preserve their habitat. Now the next unique animal includes Atlantic puffin. It is a colorful seabird and is the only puffin that lives in the Atlantic Ocean. Puffins are excellent swimmers and like penguins use their wings to swim underwater while chasing prey. They superficially resemble small penguins in appearance, but unlike penguins, they are good flyers and occasionally take long trips far from their nesting sites. They are one of the world's oddest looking birds that builds its nest in a burrow. It has a triangular hooked beak that is nearly as large in size as its head. The beak is dull yellow at the base, blue in the middle, and vermilion at the end. Now the next unique animal includes spider monkey. Spider monkey lives in the tropical rainforest of Central and South America and occur as far north as Mexico. They have long, lanky arms and gripping tails that enable them to move gracefully from branch to branch and tree to tree. These nimble monkeys spend most of their time aloft and maintain a powerful grip on branches even though they have no thumbs. These New World primates are social and gather in groups of up to 2 or 3 dozen animals. At night, these groups split up into the smaller sleeping parties of half dozen or fewer. Now students, I have discussed all the unique animals given in the chapter. Now please solve the chapter and revise the cross questions given at the end of this video. Thank you.